Hello YouTubers, listen, last night there was some weird noise outside. It's really hard to explain because in our borough, actually, let me show you, wait. I'm gonna show you a little bit around before I start explaining to you quick. You see here, around our borough, there is no tree, you know, there's no, it's just a city place. There's no tree. There's nothing here. Okay.
There are trees, but there's no forest.
Yeah, there's no forest, right? Okay. So now we're gonna go back. Now you've seen around our borough. So now you're gonna see. You're gonna hear because you couldn't see what I filmed. Well, listen to the noise, and it felt like there was a tornado of wind coming up the sky, hitting the street, and going back up there. It's really funny, but listen to this. It's like a forest, and it's like when you don't close a window good and the wind come in, but our window was wide open, so it's not the window. Our head was
the wind blowing by cracks of windows.
Yeah, our head was outside. Okay, so here go. I'm gonna start it right now. Right here. It was really deep, and it woke us up. It was 1 o'clock last night. That's a weird sound. Can you see here? I filmed the street. Look, you could see the light. See? That noise was from the sky, and it was on and off. You see, now it was off, and it goes back really high. It was really funny. Actually, my mom was in the South Shore, like a couple kilometers away from us, and she heard the same thing. It was a weird sound, like a forest sound. It was really disturbing and kind of scary. So my husband said it was more than 1 hour, because he said that when we fall asleep, it actually was still doing it, right? That's what you said?
Yeah, I was up hours.
So, and it was still...
It did it all night.
Almost all night, and there's no reason, there's no apparent reason for this to happen. Our window was wide open, there's no forest, even the tree was almost not moving. It's like the wind was above our house. It was really a weird show. So we're gonna put the video up there today. Today it's the 29th, so it happened last night. It was the 28th around 1 o'clock, 12:30 in the morning. So thank you very much.